coming from where I came, from Europe, you always had fear in you. All of a sudden I work in a big corporation and you gotta know who is who. Sometimes at work it could be very tough. Slowly I learned. I survived for 43 years. I raised a family through them, and I was very happy. We always thank God that we have a roof over our head, we pay our mortgage, the kids are okay, and we are together with each other. So right now it's a good feeling. Like they would say in Yiddish, a Gliklekher Mentsh. Gliklekher Mentsh. Sometimes you gotta say it again. That's a level within itself. Not everybody who's walking around is a mensch. That's a very high elevation to be a mensch.